Hello students. Today we learn about major food crops of the world and this chapter is from class 8 social science. So let's begin about the major crops. We can classify the major crops into the following categories. Food crops that are rice, wheat, maize and millets. Commercial crop also known as cash crops. These are fruits, spices and sugarcane etc. Beverage crops, tea, coffee and cocoa. Fiber crops, cotton and jute. In this video, we learn about the major food crops. The first major food crop of the world is wheat. Wheat is the widely cultivated crop in the world. It requires moderate temperature of around 15 degrees Celsius and rainfall of about 75 centimeter during the growing season. It required bright and sunny weather at the time of harvest and it grows well in drained loamy soil and black soil. Adequate amount of chemical fertilizers and insecticides are used in cultivation of wheat also. Wheat is grown extensively in temperate grasslands such as prairies, the steppes and the downs. The major wheat producing countries are USA, Canada, Russia, Australia, China and India. In India, wheat is grown during winter season mainly in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Rice. It is one of the another major food crop. Basically, it cultivated in hot and humid regions, especially in the tropical and subtropical regions. Asia is the largest producer of rice in the world. Rice is classified as a kharif crop. It needs 150 centimeter of rainfalls and high temperature, about 25 degrees Celsius for the best development. It also requires stagnant water and clay soil. Most of the rice cultivation is done manually. China is the largest producer of rice in the world, followed by India, Indonesia, Bangladesh and Vietnam. In India, the major rice producing states are Odisha, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Assam, Andhra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Punjab and Haryana. Millets. Millets comprises coarse grain like jowar, bajra and ragi. They can be grown in less fertile and sandy soil. Millets require low rainfall and high temperature for growth, and they are also used as a food grains and fodder. India is the largest producer of millets in the world. In India, millet producing states are Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Other countries, those produce millets are Nigeria, China, Egypt and Niger. Maize. Maize originated in Latin America and it is a staple crop of the people of Latin America. It is also used as a food as well as fodder. It is known as corn in the USA and makkah in India. It requires moderate temperature about 20 degrees Celsius and rainfall 50 to 75 centimeters. Maize cannot survive in frost and it required well-drained and fertile soil. USA is the largest producer of maize. Other producers are Mexico, China, North America, Brazil and India. In India, maize is grown in the states of MP, Bihar, UP and Karnataka. With this, we end up this chapter and will meet you in the next video with the commercial crop.